everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just want to say thank you to everyone who is watching this video, and those who will be subscribing after watching this video. Don't forget to turn your post notifications, okay? Because when this video will drop, you're gonna be like, oh my gosh, we didn't see it. And I'm gonna be like, but did you turn your post notifications? You didn't. Okay, gotcha. All right, so as you can see from the title, this video is going to be my Lizzo 2019 makeup looks that I was inspired by. Okay, yeah. One, I love Lizzo. Like, I just feel like she's a very creative person. If you don't know who Lizzo is, one, you can Google her, but I'm gonna give y'all a little bio real quick. So Lizzo, aka Melissa Jefferson, okay, she was born in Detroit, Michigan. She moved to Houston, where she started to begin to perform and basically blew up from there. She's a singer, she's a songwriter, she's a rapper, and she's a flutist. Like, she plays the flute, okay? Yeah. One, I'm like really like obsessed with these makeup looks. Like, they're just so outside of the box. I'm just like, oh my gosh, I need to do those. Like, they're nice. And not only does she represent curvy girls, but she also represents brown skin girls. So a lot of her looks are like brown girl friendly, and I just like, I love them. Like, I really do love them. And again, they're all outside of the box. They're not simple looks, so it just makes her looks like even more like, oh my gosh, I love them. So I'm really inspired by Lizzo because I seen a post of her like twirling an insurance sign, you know, the people that wear the New York City Statue of Liberty costume. She literally was doing that before she got big. So I am like really inspired by her story, because as y'all know, I have a story, so I'm just like inspired by that. Okay, Black Girls Wedding, let's go. Her makeup artist, which is I Want Alex on Instagram, is like amazing. So I'm not really sure where he came from. I tried to do some research on him, and that I didn't really get much, honestly. I just know, like, I love her makeup artist, I love her, and then he uses a lot of Urban Decay products. Today we're gonna use some affordable products, okay? Some affordable ones, because I don't have Urban Decay money right now, okay? So the looks are just that good, and we're just gonna get started. So we're basically starting off with a blank canvas. I did add a little bit of bronzer. The final look will have everything that you need, okay? The final look will have it all together. But right now, we're just gonna focus on the eye looks, and I'm just so excited. So I'm gonna start this video. Yes, this is gonna be a voiceover because, hunty, I can't do all this, you know, and make sure that y'all watch it all, okay? So we gonna get started. Okay, so this is gonna be my first look. This is the look that she actually wore at the VMAs when she performed. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm starting off with the P. Louise base. This is pretty much the best base in the world right now. So I actually do like this base, so if you want to get this base, get the base. Now I'm going to use my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm using the more vibrant yellow for this look because I really want my eyes to pop. I really want to be able to see the yellow in this look. When you look at her look from the VMAs, you can see the yellow in her eyeshadow, you can see the yellow in her outfit. So I really wanted to make sure that this look came out exactly, if not close, to Lizzo's eye makeup. So with this look, I want it to be very precise. As you can see, I'm making a rectangle with the eyeshadow on my eyelid, and then later, as you can see, I'm dragging it out, so it has a wing attached to the eyeshadow. So I just wanted to make sure that you all understood that. Next, we have the rhinestone placement. I got these rhinestones right off of Amazon, no more than $5, but they were very hard to put on. I did not use glue because I didn't want to irritate my skin, so I did just use the sticky sticker, or whatever you want to call it, that's on the back of the rhinestone for the placement. And it was very difficult, but at the same time, it was a challenge that I enjoyed, because it's like, who can put all these rhinestones on his eyes? Okay, so after adding some mascara, some lashes, and a little bit of Love Bite lip, this was my final look. Okay, so now we're off to look number 2. This look specifically was for me because I love pink, and as you can see, I'm really bringing the eyeshadow up into the brow bone and the corner of my eyes. Okay, so now I'm going to go with my Makeup Forever Aqua XL eye pencil, and I really wanted to add a base to the blue first before I put the blue eyeshadow on top. I wanted to make sure that you could see the blue and that it really replicated what her eyeshadow looked like at the music festival. So, you know, when you look at this look, you're going to see a lot of colors, you're going to see a lot of placement, and I just like that because at the same time, again, I do looks that don't have these type of colors or these type of placements, and I just felt that this look was very different. It wasn't my favorite, but I really did love the out of the box idea with this look. Need to shut down to keep you out of my mind. Strange to be here. Okay, so this is my second look. This is a look Lizzo wore to the Atlanta Midtown Music Festival, and I really like this look because it's so cute. So I just wanted to jump off the voiceover and let y'all know. I just like this. I really should start wearing colors like this. Like, okay, so for my next look, I'm actually using my Micro Smooth powder as a base. This look was very simple, but not simple. It's very out of the box. So again, I'm using my Makeup Forever eye pencil to do the outline of this lined, amazing look. Like, I really just don't even know how to describe this look because it's so amazing. So honestly, I can describe this look. I would say this is a very abstract look. I went over this line a few times because again, I want it to be very vibrant and bold so that you can actually see the blue first off, and then as you can see, it drags down into kind of a swoop kind of eyeliner, like more of a cat eye eyeliner, but it basically drew out the map for my actual eyeliner placement. Okay, so I actually decided to slow this part down for you all in real time. So this is exactly how I start and create my eyeliners. But when you look at the space between the blue eyeliner and the black eyeliner, you can see that there is a certain placement with this look. Now I had to make sure that the second wing to this look was spaced out enough that it didn't look clumped up together, that you can actually see the difference between the three lines. And that was difficult because I had to move my hands in different positions just to make sure that this came out close but exactly how I want Alice did her makeup. Trying to save myself. Don't wanna be here and save. Okay, so now it's time for glitter placement. I actually used the Ardell adhesive glue. So because I was only using a little bit, I wasn't worried about my eyes breaking out from the glue. I didn't have any irritation, and the glitter didn't irritate my eyes either. Again, I got this glitter off of Amazon, less than $5. There's probably like a pack of them, but the placement on this is very specific because it is in a line. And he originally used an Urban Decay glitter like eyeliner, but I don't have Urban Decay money right now, so I used the glitter and I just placed it very nicely. Okay, so now I'm just pretty much finishing off this look with a little bronzer and blush. I did not use any highlighter in this look because when you look at all of the looks, one thing that they have in common is that they don't have highlighter. And what I've also kind of made my own conclusion to was that he doesn't want to add too much face makeup because again, your focus is the eyes, and then she has all these elaborate costumes there. You don't want to take away from the costume or the makeup. You want them to both complement each other. So I really enjoy doing these looks. So I want to thank you all for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe. I'll see you later.